One of the really neat tools available in AutoCAD Electrical is the ability to copy existing projects. There'll always be that occasion where you've worked on a project in the past, you get a new job come in and you think, oh, that's kind of close to what I've done in the past before. What you can do then is look up that particular AutoCAD Electrical project and actually copy it using AutoCAD Electrical. Now there is a process to this and it does take a little bit of getting used to. You'll find the Copy Project icon here on the Project tab on the ribbon, but there are certain criteria you have to adhere to, certain things you need to do to make sure that this works. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you don't have any drawings open in the current project. So right now, I've got Demo 01 open in the project Demo 08. We're going to create the project Demo 09. What we need to do is make sure that Demo 01 is closed. So we go up to the tab, click on the cross there, make sure that that is closed. Now you'll notice that is closed and you've got a grey area here, no drawings open. But also as well, you'll notice it's still the current project. So I'm just going to minimize the schematic folder there. Demo 08 is still the current project. Now if I come down here, I've got a drawing here, connector drawing. You've got to have a drawing open to actually create a copy of a project. So I could create just a new blank drawing if I wanted to. So if I go new like that and go AutoCAD Electrical.dwt like that, as soon as I do that, you'll notice that the copy icon up here is now available. I could have opened up something like connector drawing if I wanted to, but that's already linked to another project. This is just a blank drawing. Demo 08 is still highlighted in bold. So it's still the current project. And I'm stressing that because I want to show you the next trick, so to speak, which is really neat. If I now click on copy here, I get the option to enter the existing project name, or I can browse for a project, or I can just copy the active project and it finds it for me. That's why I had to close that drawing Demo 01 down, because if any active drawing is one of those to be copied to a new project, cancel now, open a different or new drawing and restart this command. So there's my new drawing. I'm not going to use it, but I've got a new drawing open. So when I click on OK now, there's the Demo 08 WDP file. Now it's asking me select path and name for new project. So I'll go and find the path. So I'm going here and you can see, look, there's my AutoCAD Electrical folders there. I go movie and work files and there's 08 project basics. I go here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in here and there's my next section, 09 projects and drawings. So I double click in there and I want to go into the work files folder there. And what I'm going to do is create a new folder in there. And I'm going to call that Demo 09. Press enter. That is now my new project folder. I double click inside that folder and this is where the new WDP file is going to go. And surprise, surprise, it's going to be called Demo_09. I click on save. And now I get the option to select all the drawings from Project Demo 08 to take them across to Project Demo 09. I want all of them to go across, so I click on OK. Title block setup, WDT. Project line labels, WDL. So those are my project-related files to be copied. The WDP file I've just done. So this goes back to what we talked about before with the project files. The WDT file, the WDL file, and also the WDP file, which is what we're doing now. All of this information that we're setting up now goes into the WDP file. But also we're making sure that our title block setup comes across from Project Demo 08 and also any project line labels, which are in the WDL file. I click on OK. There's all the drawings that are going across and it's going to adjust all of them. I click on OK again and off we go. So that's updating now. That'll take a few seconds to work through that. And what it's doing there now is it's rewriting all of those files and copying all of those files across. As soon as it gets there, it automatically opens up the first drawing of the new project. Notice here in the projects list in the project manager, Demo 09 is now the new current project. Demo 08, I can click on it, right click and close it. I don't need it anymore. So there's Demo 09. I'll expand it out, expand the schematic subfolder, and Demo 01 is now the current drawing in my new copied project, which is Demo 09. Isn't that a neat tool? Everything I've just done in Demo 08 has now been copied across to Demo 09, I've got a new project folder, a new WDP file, a new WDL file, and a new WDT file. All done in a few minutes, saves me countless hours of copying, database linking. It does it all for me. So that's how you copy projects in AutoCAD Electrical.